my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Redmagic 7. So let's get to the video. So this is the box of the phone. It's a pretty cool box. You see all those gaming designs on the side. So now let's just unbox this. So inside this you get the SIM card tool tray kit. You get the phone. Let's keep that aside. You get a type C to type C cable. This is a PD cable for fast charging, and you get an adapter in the box. This 65-watt charger, but if you have the Chinese version of this phone, you get a 120 watts charger. This is the global version. Let's cover and set this up. Power the phone. Let's see what happens. You can see Redmagic. I'll set this up and come back to you. Guys, I've set this phone up. As you can see, this is the phone. Red color switch. This activates the game mode when you swipe it up. As you can see, you go into a lobby where you can save your games and stuff. And if you pull that down, it goes back to the normal home screen. Then on the side you have volume rocker, you have your SIM card tray and your charging port. This comes with stereo speakers. And if you notice over here at this side, over here and over here, you have these touchpads. These are used for gaming. You can make them into customizable buttons. And at the center you have your power button, and at the side you have these vents over here. This is for the fan to release of heat. There is an inbuilt fan on the back of the inside the phone. So if, for example, if I press on this, you can hear the sound. That's the fan working. When you set this phone up, this comes defaultly fixed at 90 Hertz. But if you go to settings, you can go to the high level of 165 Hertz. It will drain your battery, but there is an option. I would prefer using 120 though. This phone is also based on Redmagic OS 5. But then there is an update which is based on Android 12. But there is an update to make it 13 to if you can, a 64 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel secondary, and this thing can record up to 8K 30 FPS and 4K 60 FPS. But I wouldn't say these are the best cameras. They're okay, not that great, pretty decent. And the selfie camera is of 8 megapixels. Processes the images a bit, and it's a bit dark. There isn't enough, the light isn't being enoughly captured. Let's check the speaker quality. So yeah, let's play a copyright free song. You can see these are pretty loud. Also, if you check the settings, there is an option to light the Redmagic logo on the back, and you can choose any different colors for this strip lighting over here. For example, if I choose, let's see, let's say I choose this color, and you can see it comes on the back. Great phone for gamers, as this comes with the Snapdragon Gen 1, 12 GB of RAM, and this is the 128 GB variant. There's also 256, which comes with 16 GB RAM. Great phone, very good performance, and very fast charging too. So if you are a gamer and who takes it seriously, then you can go for this phone. There's the newer version of this, which is the Redmagic 8. I'll put the link below. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs up. See you guys in another. Till then, bye.